Sup folks, multiple codes, dashboard lit up like a Christmas tree. Found a broken wire here at this connector on a 2012 Dodge Grand Caravan 3.6 liter flex fuel. So it broke close to the connector here, as you can see where my finger is. So instead of trying to fool around with that connector, I just bypassed, whoops, just dropped my, anyway, I just bypassed the connector, put a spade connector in, call it a day. Good luck trying to find a shop that would have fixed that, or found it anyway. You need a diagnostic specialist. Mac Auto Diagnostics. Peace.